Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss motion in a plane, problems on rain umbrella concept. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను తప్పక మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియజేయండి. Okay, let us go to the today's session, motion in a plane, problems on rain umbrella concept. Go to the first question. In this question, rain is falling vertically downward with a speed of 30 meters per second. A woman rides a bicycle with a speed of 10 meters per second in the north to south direction. What is the direction in which she should hold her umbrella? Here in this question, they given speed 30 meters per second and woman rides a bicycle with a speed 10 meters per second in the north to south direction. North to south direction. Here you have to calculate what is the direction in which she should hold her umbrella. Here now let us go to the solution. This is north direction and this is south direction. Now we are taking umbrella and holding umbrella, this making an angle theta. This is VM and opposite direction minus, and this is velocity 10 meters per second north to south direction. Woman rides a bicycle with a speed of 10 meters per second in the north to south direction. Resultant speed is VR is equals to 30 meters per second. So the umbrella should be held towards south. In this direction, umbrella should be held towards the south as rain appears to fall on her from south. The umbrella should be held towards south as rain appears to fall on her from south. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Second question. Rain is falling vertically with a speed of 10 meters per second. A man is moving with a velocity 6 meters per second. The angle at which the man should hold his umbrella to avoid getting wet. Here you have to calculate what is the angle by the man should hold his umbrella to avoid getting wet. Let us go to the solution. Here this is a velocity. Now we are taking opposite directions. First vertically, this is the resultant velocity VR and this one given as 6 meters per second and this opposite direction minus, and this is the resultant, this is resultant velocity and this is also resultant making an angle theta, and here minus Vm. Resultant they given as rain is falling with a speed of 10 meters per second. And now we have to calculate the angle at which the man should hold his umbrella. Now angle made by the umbrella with the vertical, that is tan theta is equals to Vm by Vr. So that is equals to, they given as 6 by 10. 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10. So that is equals to 3 by 5. So tan theta is equals to angle at which the man should hold his umbrella to avoid getting wet. Tan theta is equals to 3 by 5. Then theta is equals to, this is the final answer, theta is equals to tan inverse of 3 by 5. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Third one. A man moving with 5 meters per second observes rain falling vertically at the rate of 10 meters per second. The speed of the rain with respect to ground is, here you have to calculate speed of the rain with respect to ground. Let us go to the solution. Here this is now we are velocity vertically downwards, this is the resultant one, and Vr, this is Vm, that is equals to man, they given as 5 meters per second, and this resultant at the rate of they given as 10 meters per second, this is Vrm, and velocity of man Vm is equals to velocity of man Vm is equals to, they given as 5 meters per second, and velocity of rain with respect to man is, velocity of rain with respect to, velocity of rain with respect to man, that is Vrm is equals to, they given as here 10 meters per second. Now we have to calculate velocity of rain with respect to ground, that is Vr is equals to question mark. So, as Vrm bar is equals to Vr bar minus Vm bar. Now we are taking Vr bar is equals to Vr bar is equals to Vrm bar plus Vm bar. So modulus of Vr bar is equals to square root of Vrm square plus Vm square. Now we are substituting the values. They given as Vrm 10 square plus velocity of man they given as 5 square, that is equals to root of 10 square 100, 5 square 25. So modulus of Vr bar is equals to, that is velocity of rain with respect to ground is equals to 125. 125 can be written as 25 into 5. So this one, velocity of rain with respect to ground is equals to this 5 root 5, this 25 root 25, 5, and again root 5, 5 root 5 meters per second. Therefore, velocity of rain with respect to ground Vr is equals to final answer 5 root 5 meters per second. Okay, this is the final answer. Next, we will go to the next question. Next question, fourth one. A standing man observes rain falling with the velocity of 20 meters per second at an angle 30 degrees with the vertical. Find the velocity with which the man should move so that rain appears to fall vertically to him. Now let us go to the solution. See here, a standing man observing rainfall with a velocity 20 meter per second at an angle 30 degrees. So this is the velocity of rain with respect to man making an angle 30 degrees, and velocity of rain with velocity that is 20 meters per second. Suppose this is a point A and this is a point B. Now we have to, here this is the point C and it is VM, negative direction VM. So from triangle ABC, sine 30 degrees is equals to Vm by Vr. Sine 30 1 by 2, that is equals to Vm by Vr. Now taking now substituting the values, half is equals to Vm, Vr they given as 20 meters per second. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So Vm is equals to 10 meters per second. Velocity of man, final answer, velocity of man vertically to him, that is Vm is equals to 10 meters per second. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Fifth one. Rain driven by the wind falls on a railway compartment with a velocity of 20 meters per second at an angle 30 degrees to the vertical. The train moves along the direction of wind flow at a speed of 108 km per hour. Determine the apparent velocity of rain for a person sitting in the train. Here you have to calculate the apparent velocity of rain for a person sitting in the train. Now let us go to the solution. Here velocity of man they given as 108 km per hour, converting into meters per second into 5 by 18. 18 ones are 18 six are, so that is equals to 30 meters per second. And this is velocity of man, and vertically making an angle here perpendicular 90 degrees, and this is a resultant and making, this is velocity of rain with respect to man, V or M. Here this is assume that it is a theta, and Vr velocity of rain they given as 30 degrees. Okay. Next now Vr is equals to, they given 20 meters per second, and you have to calculate velocity of rain with respect to man, that is equal to question mark. Angle between Vm and Vr is total 90 plus 30 120. Vm and VR is 120 degrees. So therefore VRM is equals to, therefore VRM is equals to square root of VR square plus VM square plus 2VR VM cos 120. Okay, now substituting the values, VR they given as 20 square and VM 30 square plus 2 into 20 into 30 into cos 120 minus 1 by 2. So here 2 gets cancels, 20 whole square, square root of 20 whole square 400, 30 square 900 minus here 30 into 20 600, here plus into minus 600. So the total 900 plus 400 1300 minus 600. So that is equals to 700. So that is equals to 700 can be written as root of 7 into 100. Root 100 10 root 7. So this can be written as 10 root 7. Therefore VRM is equals to, final answer is 10 root 7 meters per second. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Sixth one, a man holds an umbrella at 30 degrees with the vertical to keep himself dry. He then runs at a speed of 10 meters per second and find the raindrop to the hitting vertically and find the velocity of rain with respect to the earth is. Here you have to find out the velocity of rain with respect to earth and raindrop to the hitting vertically. So now let us go to the solution. Here this is the velocity of rain with respect to man making an angle 30 degrees. This is velocity of rain. Here velocity of man, and this is a minus, that is equals to, they given as run at a speed of 10 meters per second. So VR is equals to question mark. We have to find the velocity of rain with respect to earth. From this sin 30 degrees is equals to VM by VR. VR is equals to VM by sin 30. So sin 30 degrees VM they given as 10 and sin 30 1 by 2. Now VR is equals to reciprocal 10 into 2 by 1, 10 2s are 20. So velocity of rain with respect to the earth is 20 meters per second. Therefore VR is equals to 20 meters per second. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question, seventh one. Raindrops are hitting the back of a man walking at a speed of 5 km per hour. If now starts running in the same direction with a constant acceleration, the magnitude of velocity of rain with respect to him will, here they given the options. First one is gradually increase, the second one is gradually decrease, the third one is first decrease and then increase, the fourth one is first increase and then decrease. So here in this question they given as raindrops are hitting a back of a man with a speed of 5 km per hour. Here we have to calculate the magnitude of velocity of rain with respect to the man. So the magnitude of velocity of rain will decrease till the direction of velocity with respect to man become vertical. So it will increase thereafter. No, the correct option is third option is correct. Now, the magnitude of velocity of rain will decrease till the direction of velocity with respect to man becomes vertical. So, it will increase thereafter. So, first decrease and then increase. It will increase thereafter. So, the correct option is third option is correct. The magnitude of velocity of rain will decrease. First, it will decrease till the direction of the velocity with respect to man becomes vertical, and then it is increases. So, it will increase thereafter. So, which option is correct? Third option is correct. First decreases and then it increases. Okay. Next, we will go to the next question. Eighth one. Rain pouring down at an angle alpha with vertical has a speed of 20 meters per second. A girl runs against the rain with the speed of 12 meters per second and sees that the rain makes an angle beta with the vertical. Then relation between alpha and beta is. Here you have to calculate what is the relation between alpha and beta. Let us go to the solution. Here now we are observing vertically, suppose this is point A and making an angle alpha, and a girl runs against rain with a speed of 12 meter per second and sees that the rain makes beta. This is velocity of rain. Total angle is beta, and this girl having the velocity here, a rain pouring down an angle alpha, and VR velocity of rain they given as 20 meters per second, and total, suppose this is a point A and B and C, this complete distance assume that it is x and it is opposite direction minus Vm. Here it is alpha and vertical height we are assuming y. This is y, and this is velocity of rain with respect to her. Next, Vm they given as 12 meters per second, and velocity of rain they given as 20 meters per second. From triangle ABC, sine alpha is equals to x by 20. So from this x is equals to, taking cross multiplication, 20 sine alpha. Next, from this diagram, cos alpha is equals to y by 20. From this we can written as y is equals to 20 cos alpha. And again, from triangle ABD, tan beta is equals to x plus Vm by y. So substituting x and y values in this, x nothing but 20 sin alpha plus Vm they given as 12 and y 20 cos alpha. So tan beta is equals to 20 sin alpha plus 12 by cos 20 cos alpha, or we can written as tan beta is equals to 12 plus 20 sin alpha by 20 cos alpha. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Ninth one, a person walking at 4 meters per second finds raindrops falling slantwise into his face with a speed of 4 meters per second at an angle 30 degrees with the vertical. Then actual speed of the raindrop is, here we have to calculate the actual speed of raindrops. So now let us go to the solution. Here now we are assuming that a person walking 4 meters per second and slantwise making an angle 30 degrees, and this is vertical angle 30 degrees with a vertical. Actual speed of the raindrop we had to calculate. This angle is 90 degrees and this is velocity of man, and this is the velocity of rain with respect to man, and from this we are writing velocity of rain with respect to man, that is equals to Vrm bar is equals to Vr bar minus Vm bar. From this velocity of rain, that is Vr bar is equals to Vrm bar plus Vm bar. Angle between Vrm and Vm is 120 degrees. So Vr is equals to Vr bar is equals to Vrm square plus Vm square plus 2 Vrm into Vm cos 120. Now substituting the values, Vr is equals to square root of Vrm they given as 4 square and Vm 4 square, Vm value they given as 4 square plus 2 into 4 cos 120 minus 1 by 2. So here 2 gets cancels, that is equals to 4 square plus 4 square minus 4 into 4 4 square. This plus 4 square minus 4 square get cancels, so root of 4 square, square root gets cancels. So the final answer is, here Vr is equals to 4 meters per second. Therefore Vr is equals to 4 meters per second. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Next go to the next question, 10th one. When a man is standing, raindrops appears to him falling at 60 degrees from the horizontal from his front side. When he is traveling at 5 km per hour on a horizontal road, they appear to him falling 30 degrees from the horizontal from his front side. So what is the actual speed of the train? Here we have to calculate actual speed of the train in kilometer per hour. Now let us go to the solution. Given alpha is equals to 30 degrees and beta is equal to 60 degrees. Velocity of man they given as 5 km per hour. See this This is vertically, now it is horizontal from his front side, making an angle. One is alpha and one is 30 degrees. This is beta and this is alpha. Suppose it is a point A and B and C and D. Here it is assuming it is x and vertical distance y. This is Vm. This is velocity of rain and this is velocity of rain with respect to man. Now from this triangle, from triangle ABD, tan beta is equals to Vm plus Vr sin alpha by Vr cos alpha. So substituting alpha value in this, alpha and beta. Next, tan beta nothing but tan 60 degrees is equals to Vm they given as 5 and Vr into sin alpha they given as 30 degrees by Vr cos alpha they given as 30 degrees. Tan 60 is equals to root 3, that is equals to 5 plus sin 30 value 1 by 2. So Vr by 2 into Vr into cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Here tan 60 is equals to root 3 and sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2. Cos 30 is equals to root 3 by 2. Okay. Next, substituting these values. Now root 3 is equals to, here taking LCM, 10 plus Vr by 2 by Vr into root 3 by 2. Vr into root 3 by 2. So this is 2 gets cancels. So root 3 is equals to 10 plus Vr by Vr into root 3. Now we are taking cross multiplication. So that is Vr into root 3 into root 3. Vr, this root 3 into root 3, 3, that is equals to 10 plus Vr. So here 10 plus, this is 3 Vr. So 3 Vr minus Vr, that is equals to 10. Now 3 Vr minus Vr, 2 Vr. 2 Vr is equals to 10. Vr is equals to 10 by 2. So that is 2 ones, 2 fives. Vr is equals to 5 kilometer per hour. This is final answer. Therefore, Vr is equals to Vr is equals to 5 kilometer per hour. Velocity of rain is equals to 5 kilometer per hour. This is the final answer. Thanks for watching this video.